Thank you so much, Mr. Lee. We're all so excited to be able to use the Anycubic 3D printers in the camp.
Thank you for the printer.
Thank you for the 3D printer.
Thank you for the free 3D printer.
So we are going to be doing the build today. Today is day one. We're going to be building these printers. We got the Anycubic Mega X right here. These printers aren't just like run-of-the-mill 3D printers. They're really on the cutting edge of 3D printing technology. So we're excited for you guys to get the opportunity to build them.
Right next to the threaded rod, you should see a little sensor with a metal arm that you can press down on. So if you could pull those towards the back a little and make sure they're free.
Yeah.
That's perfect. I think you're all fixed.
Go ahead and click again on the face.
Okay, I think now we can get back on track.
Your sketch plane is empty, so right now it doesn't know where it's going to be sketching. Another easier way of doing it is just clicking on Sketch 5 on the side.
Y el ABS. Okay, he visto por ahí el ABS.
Sí. Your robot can basically be Funbotics in the future, and how people be educated by it.
Because I have this like 3D printer that I can, keep now. I'm also thinking of like 3D printing earrings and like with CAD you can literally like design whatever you want and like print it. That's like one of the cool things.
Thank you for the printer. I am planning on making a dragon.
Yeah, I'm just really grateful that they were able to be the sponsor for this.
The printer are awesome. They're good quality, and I cannot wait to spend more time on printing.
I built mine a few days ago, and it's genuinely one of the most robust 3D printers that I've ever seen. These printers are definitely going to make a lifetime impact on the students that we have in this camp.